do I try? Why do I try?
Why don't you tell me why I can't sleep at night?
Okay, after we watching promotion video, the next part will be the main content of this video. I will tell you the name of our product. The name is laundry basket backpack. First of all is about us. Laundry basket backpack is the combination of laundry basket and backpack. That means we can utilize both of characteristics, which is helping us to gain the control of the motorcycle and to reduce the chance of accident. Most parts of our product are made from natural materials to be the environment friendly product. And the next one is background and motivation. The beginning of our idea is from our own experience. We found the struggling of going to laundry shop alone, such as losing the ability to control my motorcycle, the cloth is missing, the basket place the honk accidentally and lead to accident. Afterward, we are thinking of the solution of solving this problem, and it must be great if we doing it the right way and also making the profit.
In the target customer section, we will focus on the customer who have to go to the laundry shop alone with motorcycle. The main group that we will focus is university students, any age, any gender, who usually do the laundry shop service. Our product can make your life easier and more importantly, is safer. Our product is a laundry basket backpack. Our laundry basket backpack is a laundry basket that can be carried as a backpack. Our laundry basket backpack having a variety of features. The first feature is that our baskets have handles on the both opposite sides for you to easily carrying around. The second feature is a strap that can be attached to the handle and you can carry around easily. The third one is the cover that made by elastic cloth. The shape is net-like to prevent that cloth from falling off while you are on the road. The reason why we design it like a net is to prevent the sight from people to looking into your clothes. The circle life frame was made from water hyacinth with to consider the water hyacinth problem into account. For the body, we use round fabric coated with beeswax to prevent the water and can lead to forming a mold.
Next part is the price. This is only the estimate cost of our product. As you can see in the table, the cost of our product is around 300 baht and we are aiming to sell it in the price of 600 baht. This is the place where we distribute the product. We are mainly aiming in the online platform for 70% and 30% for the laundry shop. We are focused on the online platform due to the recent event. COVID-19 made us more comfortably to buy or sell things in the online. So we will focus on this mainly. Next is promotion. We will eventually have the flash sale for the regular customer, and we will provide the discount voucher for the customer that come to us regularly. And you can also find the discount voucher from the event that we will establish later on. This is the one of the most important part, the business feasibility and forecasting. I will show you the market size first. The market size is around 42,000, which is stand for the number of the students in the Mahasarkham University, and we have more than 25 laundry shops around the campus. We are expecting only 1% of the market size, and this is the future roadmap of our company. The first one that is currently in the present, we are aiming 1% of the market size, which is 400 pieces. And if we reach the goal, we will have 240,000 baht. And we are good to go to the phase 2 to expanding the customer from 1% to 5%. And we will hiring more micro-influencer to doing the marketing. And we will expand the portion in investing in the marketing side for advertisement. And the next part is the phase 3. We will create more distributor in the nearby province to strengthen our foundation customer, and we will have more agents to reach the local customer. The phase 4, which is our vision, that our goal, we will have agent or distributor in every province and become a main brand in Thailand for the laundry basket backpack.
Online channel. Example of online channel is Lazada, Shopee, Instagram, and Facebook Market. Online business strategy. The smooth business came from the good strategy. The definition of this topic is that we will to determine who is most likely to purchase the laundry basket backpack, and your marketing effort to appeal to them. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase that benefit and use of code basket bag, as well as customer testimonial. Share customer review on your website and social media to build trust and credibility. We will post advertisement on the Facebook fan page of Mahasarkham University and using micro-influencer to use our product and telling how they feel. We will from the event and offer some winning prize for the advertising video of product. And last but not least, we will create the shop on Shopee and Lazada to resell, distribute the product. For the better strategy, we will consult to our lovely and kind professor of a major international business to give us the proper advice and follow accordingly.
And that's all for us. Thank you for bearing with us. Bye.